Bitcoin, created by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, is often heralded as a groundbreaking innovation in the realm of digital finance and financial freedom. To fully understand its value, in this video, we'll be exploring its origins, underlying technology, and the myriad of reasons it has captured the imagination of both the public and financial experts alike. So make sure to watch until the end of this video so that you too will have an understanding of how this technological innovation is revolutionizing financial freedom. The genesis of Bitcoin. The financial crisis of 2008. The global financial crisis of 2008 was a pivotal moment that highlighted severe vulnerabilities in the traditional banking system. Major financial institutions collapsed, causing widespread economic turmoil and eroding public trust. Bitcoin emerged as a response to these failures, offering a decentralized alternative to the centralized and opaque financial systems that had proven unreliable. The vision of decentralization and freedom. Bitcoin was built on the principle of decentralization, a stark contrast to traditional currencies controlled by central banks and governments. By operating on a peer-to-peer network, Bitcoin empowers individuals with financial sovereignty and freedom, allowing them to manage their own assets without reliance on centralized authorities. This fundamental shift aims to liberate people from the constraints and risks associated with traditional financial systems, offering a new level of financial freedom. Technical aspects of Bitcoin. Blockchain technology. Bitcoin's underlying technology, the blockchain, is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network. Each block contains a list of transactions and is linked to the previous block, creating a chain. This decentralized structure ensures that once a block is added, it cannot be altered, providing both security and transparency. This immutability and openness of the blockchain are essential for fostering a system where users have complete freedom from centralized oversight and manipulation. Proof of work and mining. The process of validating Bitcoin transactions is called mining, which relies on a consensus mechanism known as proof of work or POW. Miners solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. This competitive process secures the network and ensures that no single entity can control it. By decentralizing the validation process, Bitcoin empowers users with a system that resists censorship and centralized control, further enhancing financial freedom and autonomy. The unique value proposition of Bitcoin. Trustless and transparent system. Bitcoin eliminates the need for intermediaries by enabling direct peer-to-peer transactions. Every transaction is publicly recorded on the blockchain, making the system transparent and trustless. This transparency reduces the risk of fraud and corruption that can occur in traditional financial systems, granting users unprecedented freedom from oversight and control by third parties. Limited supply and scarcity. Bitcoin supply is capped at 21 million coins, creating digital scarcity. This finite supply is akin to precious metals like gold, making Bitcoin a deflationary asset. As demand increases and supply remains fixed, Bitcoin's value is expected to rise, providing a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Protection against inflation. Traditional fiat currencies can be devalued by inflation, when central banks print more money. Bitcoin, with its fixed supply, offers protection against inflation. Its decentralized nature ensures that no single authority can manipulate its value by increasing the supply, giving individuals control over an asset that retains value over time. Security and immutability. The security of the Bitcoin network is underpinned by its decentralized structure and the cryptographic principles of its blockchain. Once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered, providing unmatched security and immutability. This makes Bitcoin a reliable store of value and a secure medium of exchange, allowing users to transact freely without censorship or interference, a feature proponents and adopters love. Financial inclusion and accessibility. Empowering the unbanked. Globally, around 1.7 billion adults are unbanked, lacking access to traditional financial services. Bitcoin provides a solution by allowing anyone with internet access and a smartphone to participate in the global economy. This potential for financial inclusion can drive economic growth and reduce poverty by providing access to financial services previously unavailable to large segments of the population, granting them newfound financial freedom. Lower transaction costs. Bitcoin transactions can be conducted with relatively low fees compared to traditional banking and remittance services. This is particularly beneficial for cross-border payments, where intermediaries often charge high fees and processing times can be lengthy. Bitcoin offers a more efficient and cost-effective alternative, enabling people to send and receive money freely across borders, especially when using Layer 2s like the Lightning Network. Investment and store of value. Digital gold. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold due to its properties as a store of value. Investors see Bitcoin as a hedge against economic instability and a way to preserve wealth over the long term. Its limited supply and decentralized nature make it an attractive asset for diversification, providing a modern alternative to traditional safe haven assets like gold, and offering investors freedom from traditional market constraints. Institutional interest. The growing interest in Bitcoin from institutional investors and major corporations underscores its legitimacy as an asset class. Companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, signaling confidence in its future. This institutional adoption provides credibility and stability to the market, encouraging more widespread acceptance and investment, and promoting financial freedom on a larger scale. The future of Bitcoin. Technological innovations. The Bitcoin network is continuously evolving, with ongoing research and development aimed at improving scalability and efficiency. Layer 2 solutions like the Lightning Network are being developed to enhance transaction speed and reduce costs, making Bitcoin more practical for everyday use. These technological advancements are crucial for Bitcoin's long-term viability and widespread adoption, ensuring it remains a tool for financial freedom. Integration with traditional finance. As Bitcoin gains acceptance, it is increasingly being integrated with traditional financial services. Bitcoin ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, and custodial services offered by established financial institutions are making it easier for investors to include Bitcoin in their portfolios. This integration bridges the gap between the old and new financial worlds, promoting greater adoption and expanding financial freedom. Broader adoption. The future of Bitcoin will likely see broader adoption across various sectors. From retail transactions to large-scale investments, Bitcoin's versatility and decentralized nature position it as a critical player in the evolving digital economy. As awareness and understanding of Bitcoin grows, its role in the global financial system is set to expand, offering more people the opportunity to experience financial freedom. Challenges and criticisms. Bitcoin faces some challenges such as price volatility and regulatory uncertainty, which can impact its adoption and stability. Bitcoin represents a transformative shift in our understanding of money and finance. Its decentralized nature, security features, and potential for financial inclusion make it a revolutionary technology. While challenges exist, the potential benefits of Bitcoin are significant, offering a robust alternative to traditional financial systems and a path to financial freedom. Understanding why Bitcoin requires recognizing its origins, technical innovations, and the unique value it provides in terms of security, transparency, and financial sovereignty. As the digital age progresses, Bitcoin's influence on the global financial system is poised to grow, presenting new opportunities and challenges for individuals and institutions alike. Bitcoin is not just a digital currency, it is a symbol of financial innovation and empowerment, poised to play a significant role in the future of global finance. Through Bitcoin, individuals can achieve unprecedented financial freedom, breaking free from the constraints of traditional systems and embracing a new era of economic autonomy. Life Finance Beyond supports Bitcoin. You can support Life Finance Beyond and our channel by donating Bitcoin. Links and address in the description. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on your path to personal freedom, financial freedom, spiritual freedom, and beyond. And go to lifefinancebeyond.com for more valuable content and articles. Life Finance Beyond, wishing you success in life, finance, and beyond. One love and be blessed, friends.